There could be nothing more pleasant than waking up in the morning to the sound of sweet chirping of the birds. When I came to my balcony today, I was amazed to see the beautiful birds flying across in the sky. Some were singing and humming all the way. Some were looking here and there for food. Some were collecting twigs to build their nest as they all got ready for a new day. As a little child, I always wished to be a bird, to be able to soar high in the sky, fly over the mountains, explore the forest, and build my nest in the tallest tree. Just then, a surprised little visitor brought me back to the real world from my wishful thinking. A parakeet! I was overjoyed to see the little creature who just landed in my balcony. It looked around. It looked here and there, curling up its wings. I offered some seeds to the bird. Though hesitant at first, it finally ate them all. A chatter sound from the bird as if it was thanking me for the treat. It fluttered its wing and flew away. Do you know, children, there are some birds that cannot fly. They are also called as flightless birds. It will be interesting to find out more about such birds. So make a list of all such flightless birds for discussion in the class. Today's poem is also about these little creatures, our very special friends, birds. So are you ready for the poem? Let's begin. The title of the poem is Feathered Friends, and it is written by Lucia Kemp Henry and Suzanne Moore. The poem says, "This is a bird. It is special, you see, and it is quite different from you and me. A bird has wings and a very fine tail to help it fly and swoop and sail. A bird has feathers and a beak that is strong. It might eat seeds or bugs or worms that are long. And when springtime comes, a bird builds a nest to lay its egg in and to sit and rest." Let's all say the poem together one more time. Come on, everyone, join me. This is a bird. It is special, you see, and it is quite different from you and me. A bird has wings and a very fine tail to help it fly and swoop and sail. A bird has feathers and a beak that is strong. It might eat seeds or bugs or worms that are long. And when springtime comes, a bird builds a nest to lay its eggs in and to sit in and rest. We see many different types of birds around us, varied in size, colors, body structure. Some of us have even kept them as pets. We surely do love them and look after their needs. So children, observe around your house, observe very carefully, and write the names of any two birds that you have seen. We can also be a great friend to these birds. We can do these simple things like putting a bird feeder or keeping a shallow water bowl for the birds. Or very simple, by planting more trees around. These little thoughtful actions on our part will surely make this world a better place for these tiny creatures. So till we meet next, be a bird spotter and keep looking out for your little feathered friends. Bye-bye.